One of the challenges in Western Australia is the sheer size of our landmass. About 2.5 million people living across the state of WA. Our regional communities are several hundred kilometres away from each other in very harsh, often inhospitable environments. The purpose of St John in Western Australia is for the service of humanity and to relieve sickness, distress, suffering and danger. So we do that through three ways: making first aid a part of everyone's life, providing a world-class ambulance service throughout Western Australia, and we provide equitable access into the health system through our GP and health centres. My name's Glenn Carmody. I'm the Executive Manager for Medical Services here at St John Ambulance in Western Australia. St John employs just under 2,000 staff in Western Australia. We provide well over 1.8 million man-hours in volunteer community services throughout Western Australia per annum. Part of the role for myself is to help St John connect to the business community. And one of the reasons that we've engaged with Salesforce is that it provides a really good platform for us to pursue our charitable activities, run a business-to-consumer model and also a business-to-business model that help us create revenues and drive our commercial activities to support our charitable work throughout the state. The resources industry in Western Australia is a really large contributor to the economic wealth of the state and also to the communities, and we partner quite a lot with them through training, equipment, the provision of staff, access to medical and GP services, not only here in Western Australia in Perth, the capital city, but right throughout the state. That then flows through into different community organisations, so sporting clubs, local community organisations, other not-for-profits. Salesforce has really helped us to transform the way that we interact with our customer base. Traditionally, with a not-for-profit business, we're so focused on delivering the services to a particular part of the community that we can quite often get caught up in a bit of a siloed approach to the way we go about business. So this has really helped us from an engagement perspective to actually look across our business and understand value that can be applied in other areas of the business, and also to connect our customers to a wider range of services. So it's actually been quite transformational in that regards. Culturally, it's also challenged us there as well. So it's helping with that evolving learning process of okay, I'm focused on this particular area of my need, but when I'm engaging with a customer, I now understand that their need might be a little bit greater, so I can help introduce other parts of the St John services into that particular area. A lot of the work that we do with the business community is also working with Persistent. They helped us to design a tablet device where our field experts can actually engage with the business community and give them a St John Safe accreditation for their workplace, not only for their employees, but for customers who come into their business. Our work with Persistent has been over a number of years. Persistent actually helped to implement Salesforce into our organisation and map quite a complex system. St John Safe accreditation for businesses enables them to contribute to the community in which they operate, and it will include having the right amount of people trained to perform first aid in their business, the right equipment, and also to provide them with the competency to act in case of an emergency. So as part of our purpose in building a resilient community across Western Australia, that actually means community resilience for health. The St John Safe program actually started out looking after the local football club, making sure that mums and dads were safe as well as their kids, and it's extended over time to now encompass all of business.